Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A50. This is the fresh model of Samsung, cheap and very good. Look at the outside of the box. Here you have the number. Here are the specs of the phone. Triple camera, as you see. Infinity U display. On-screen fingerprints, 4G LTE, octa-core processor. This is the LCD, round camera, and memory here. This is the dual version with security knocks. Okay, let's look inside the box. On the upper side we have a paperwork. Let's see inside what we have here. We have here the manual and the warranty card. Okay, here we have a phone. We're gonna check it later. This is the headset. This is the model of it. This is the primary headset. Not AKG like it's in S9, S10. This is the USB-C cable. Charger with the adaptive fast charging. This is the specs of it. Okay. And the key to insert the SIM card. Let's take a look on the phone. The phone has a foil here. Let's remove it. And let's take a look of it. This is the blue color of it. Here we have a hole to place a SIM card. On the down we have the mic, MP3. USB-C port and jack for the headset. This is the power button, volume down, volume up, and upper mic. Look at the color. It's shiny blue like BMW. Laguna's blue. The camera with the glass. For me, the phone is very look good. Here we have the email, but the glass plastic on the back is very fingerprints, like you see. But anyway, the color is very good. That's it for the first unboxing. Let's take a look at the video about the A15, which you're gonna be see on my channel. For now, if you like it, just thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and see you by the next video. Hey!